Left and right. Mother Beena, get the mat, please. Beena, where is it? Mama, mother is to your right. It is near the wall. Beena gives the mat to her mother. Mother, will you get the needle and thread? Beena, where is it, Mama? Mother, it is on the table to the left. Let's try this. Lift your hand. Lift, touch your right eye. Lift your right hand, touch your left eye. Lift the hand right with, touch both eye. Look at this picture. Can you guess who the people in the picture are? Say aloud, put your right hand up, put your right hand down, put your right hand out, and turn yourself around. Put your left hand up, put your left hand down, put your left hand out, and turn yourself around. Put both hands up, put both hands down, put both hands out, and turn yourself around. There are two ducks in the pond. One duck's hand come out of the pond. Some people are inside in the house. Some people are outside in the house.
मार्गो साइड 3 सेट लिख लेना.
Look at this picture. What are they?
और क्या है?
Trace these words: a well, a bell, a duck, a truck, a book, a hook, a band, a hand.
शक्ति डाल देना.
क्या?
गुड नाइट शक्ति डाल देना.
Look carefully. C, B,
6 कॉम्बी डाल देना.
D.